Okay, good evening, welcome to
MonsterMath76.
MonsterMath76. So this is problem 17 from the 2002 MC10B, and I'm just going to read it. Jesse cuts a circular paper disc of radius 12 along two radii to form two sectors. The smaller sector having a central angle of 120 degrees. He makes two circular cones, using each sector to form the lateral surface of the cone. What is the ratio of the volume of the smaller cone to the volume of the larger cone?
Alright. So in a cone, when you roll like an arc up to make a cone, the base circle is whatever this arc is that you rolled up.
Okay.
In this case, it's 8 pi because it's a third of a circle. That means it's a 16 pi because the circumference is 24 pi. So we have our smaller one, and we have our bigger one. So this is 8 pi, that means the radius is 4. Slant height is 12. The normal height is 144 minus 16. So this normal height squared is 144 minus 16, which is 128.
Okay.
Square root of 128, which is 8 root 2. This is 64 times 2.
Okay.
In here, circumference of the base circle is 16 pi. Radius is 8. Slant height is 12 again. And this, so 144 minus 64 is 80. So square root of 80, or 4 root 5.
Okay.
Now, for a cone, the volume formula is...
Sorry, I'll give you a little more room. I'll erase the original circle.
So the volume is 1/3 times the area of the base circle times height.
Okay.
So, since there's going to be a 1/3 in both of these, I'm just going to leave that out because I can cancel that out.
Okay.
So, we have, for the smaller one, we have 16 pi times 8 root 2. For the bottom one, we have 64 pi times 4 root 5. So we have 2 root 2 over 2 root 5. We need to rationalize this. So we get multiplied by root 5, root 10 over 10.
Okay. So that is the right answer. You got this one wrong when you did this test yesterday. Do you know what gave you trouble on it? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
Okay.
There's a couple things that could have gone wrong.
Yeah, there's a few calculations that could have gone wrong and everything. Okay. One, sometimes, I actually don't really know. This is just a lot of calculating. You can leave the pi's out too, by the way. You left the 1/3 out. You can leave the pi out, and then you get. Just be careful when you're simplifying these things. So you get 16 times 8 times root 2 over, would you have 64 times 4 times root 5? So just, I would just be a little more cautious when you simplify this. You kind of crossed out a few things here and there. You could write this as 4 times 4, for example. So 16 times 4 goes there.
Yeah.
Or it's probably better to write 8 as 4 times 2 rather than 4 times 4. Then you get 2 over 4, 1/2, 10 over 10. All right, good job.